First make the basic shape. This is the basic shape. And on the basis shapes we are creating the character. So you guys understood this technique? If you are understand the basic shapes, it's very easy to draw this shape. Then now the second, I create.
Sir?
Yes.
You working Disney, sir?
I'm working Disney by Zoo, and my work maximum.
Disney projects.
Yeah, Disney project like animations, like a.
Sir, Disney by these cartoons are like real cartoons.
Thank you so much. I can create here
Sir.
the. Yes.
Sir, after this drawing, can you draw Disney by these characters are like real characters.
Thank you. Keep silence and see. I draw here one wings and I draw here also one wings, right? So please see this one. First make this. Can I wait for a few minutes? Rishan, understood beta?
Understood.
Good.
You wait for a minute.
Next steps, can I go ahead? I can take time. I can give it time, no problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Ishan,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Sir, done, sir. What's the next step?
Yes, I got it. Huh?
Sir, I'm done, sir.
Yes,
Sir, after this, can we do our own drawing?
I make one scenery beta after that own drawing, okay? Listen.
Yes, sir. Sir, what's the next step?
I go on. Just a second, beta. Next steps, I just add over here. Okay, I just add over here one more line like this. See here, one. Okay, one, two, and I create one more line here, one, two, like this. Okay, आराम से one line over here, one line over here, and this line is ups and down. See, like this, ups and down. Okay. Take your time and do your best.